Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. So welcome to our channel. This is Mr. Nino Humawas Catulsa, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 00154550. Now we are here at Barangay Esperanza, Aloginsan, Cebu. We have a property. So this is the property, guys. It has so many coconut trees, good soil, banana trees, mango trees, and many more. So daghan siyang improvements. Second lot from the provincial road. Do all second lot mga naaranis mga 30 meters. Wakabot 20. 20 meters. So ingon ako amigo, sidekick na ko 20 meters ra gikan sa ako, and then it has already a road right of way. Okay. So the property line, guys, mao ni siya, guys. Then going straight na dito, no? Naatay mga gitawag og occupants, gitawag nig tenant. Pero before ana kay amo naman ning gisettle daan. So they are willing, no? They are willing to anang move out, no? Willing sila mo pahawa. Ya, na murag na sila di kay mura na sila kasabutan sa tag-iya. They have already agreement with the owner. So the price is 350 pesos per square meter. It's a clean title. Di ako kopyas titulo. Then kuan, guys, kanang kining 350 per square meter barato ra gyud ni. Very affordable price kay saga dinhi, guys. Kay highway naman ni, next door next door. Next lot is highway na. So 1,000 pesos per square meter kadako kayo og diferensya. So kuan gyud, guys, nindot gyud ni siya nga property for investment or farming. Say gusto niyong buhaton, kayang-kaya. No rocks, way bato. So continue ta diri sanahan kay mag-drone talit ka na. Wala ni guys, no? Ikan pa ko sa Bohol, ni lusad ko diri sa Sugbo. Nagsakay ako sa kung brum brum. So ingani gina, guys, no? Ang yuta, the property is ingani di. Marag ni sloping siya gamay. Diri na. Makita nimo ang yuta, guys. So the property has more or less 1,000 coconut trees, fruit bearing trees. So ini, guys, mo ni balay sa nangipuyo dire. Pila mo ka balay dire, boss? 3 tulog yun eh. So 3 houses. So downhill rolling terrain ang atong property nga ginibaligya, guys. So aside from coconut trees, banana trees, pomelo, kanang buongon na mo. Dito sa ubos, guys, na ito'y gitawag og deep well, tabay. From Karkar City, it's around 15 minutes drive or less. Depende sa pupadagan. So imagine this is 4.8 hectares. Dako gyud. This is ideal also for like this one, manukan, fighting cock. The size of the property is 4.8 hectares at 350 pesos per square meter. Gikan ni sa ibabaw gasugod, guys, padahili pa sloping downhill, no, sloping going down, no. Then mura siya og ladder rise ang porma sa yuta. Patag dire, Apod patag na sad, sunahan patag na sad nga na ba. Hinagdan. So laddi rice. Din sa ubos dako na og patag. Kuya kay madakin na sa ni kay kuan. Naog lang tagamay dire. So, apil pa na dito sa unahan, guys. This is the soil. Tuara ang tabay, oh. The deep well. Okay, let's have a drone video. Itong buhatag drone video. So, atong usbo, no? 4.8 hectares or 48,000 square meters at 350 pesos per square meter. Second lot from highway or provincial road. 10 to 15 minutes drive from Carcar City, Cebu. Approximately 1 hour drive from Cebu City, Tagbilara naman. And located in Barangay Esperanza, Aloginsan, Cebu. This is the drone video, our first drone video, no, of the property, the 4.8 hectares. So money siya, guys, no. So as you can see, there are so many coconut trees in the area, daghan yun, no, and banana trees. Then again, you can convert this into a vegetable farm or any kinds of crops like potato, cassava, ano ba, mga vegetables. So eggplants, na many more. So then regarding the water system, no problem, because there is a deep well. So that houses, no, there are 3 houses again in the area living. They are so-called tenants, but they have already agreed. They are talking with the owner. So again, the options are they are willing to accept money for the removal or accept a portion of land which is around home lot, more or less at 100 square meters. So if they are 3, they are 300 square meters. So that is the deal with the owner. So kuha na guys sa ilan ng sabot-sabot. So that is their agreement. So second lot from highway or provincial road. So mo na siya, guys. So regarding the transportation, you need to bring your own transpo or transportation. Dala gyud kag imong sakyanan. See? It's really a rolling terrain, flat and rolling terrain. Mao ni sitwasyon sa yuta, guys, no? Na good soil, very good soil. Nindot yun ang iyang soil. Very nice, no? Kay maka-kuan jud ka, guys, maka farming jud ka. So this is good for a big family. If you are also for example, you have brothers and sisters, you are willing to buy properties also like this. So kamo na magbahin kay the owner wants to sell as a whole man the 4.8 hectares. So if you have one brother also willing to buy, so magamit man tanan, guys. All the properties inside can be used. So pwede rin siya magamit. So again, pwede siya sa chicken farm or rooster fighting cock. So pwede siya sa mga manukan bitaw para tari. Pwede sa ni siya, guys. So kita na tong yuta, oh. It's really nice. So see, that is the national highway. Makita na to, no? Mga 20 meters sa gyud, oh. That is the national highway. Makita na to ang karsada.
So you can contact me at my WhatsApp and message me or my Yahoo Mail. So mana na guys. So that is my PRC license. So mana no. Better you transact no the with us like us. Ampot ko hibaw na apoy mga nindot po inyong makuan sa lain, pero kanang ingon ani nako if ever they are agents accredited, so kuha gyud ang ilang brokers no. So brokers number aron maklaro gyud ninyo kay usahay man gud guys, dili gyud nimo maklaro bitaw ang tao. One day na gyud may makapalit mo na may problema. So ang naka-advantage lang namo pareha nako na ikoy mga kanang gitawag og backlog kana bang naay magka problema. So maobligar jud ko og cooperate kay siyempre naglikay man sa kumadaot. So kuan na gyud kanang klaro-klaro gyud ang ato ang transaksyon no. Wala gyud tay kuan binuang kay kini man gud gumikan sa kadaghan na pud nga scammer rong panahon na. So like yuta data there's so many kanang gitawag og na ako'y 1,000 square meters nya gipadatahan nila dako din ang ayuta. So it is really not good no, di gina sa acceptable. So better you go to with the owner yun, owner mismo kung mao magani na gusto mo kuha og cutting. So mao na siya guys, pero much better you can buy as a whole. Although kini maabot man siya mga 16.8 million. 16,800,000 yun ang kantidad ani tanan. But again, if you are really willing, dili man sad mo alkansi, willing to buy, you are not kuan yun dihado ani. So it's really a good farming, it's really a good land, because again the adjacent are selling more or less at 1,000 pesos per square meter. Tag-as nagpresyo ya si kanlat man ta. So I noticed no, one coconut tree there is a coconut wine. So ilan nagi sanggutan, we can take coconut wine on this kuan. So pwede sada pasanggutan ng uban. Okay guys no, dito na ta sa property ng ating gibaligya, the 48,000 square meters at 350 pesos per square meter with a clean title, located here in Barangay Esperanza, Aluginsan, Cebu. So this is the road that I am talking about no, Barangay. So ang nakalindot ani kay daghanag mga namuyo no, pero kato atong property baligya sikanlat ra ani nga road. So 20 meters away from this road, from this provincial road. Then as you can see there is improvement. Kini this is a foreigner no, building a house, dako nang abalay guys, o kabaw pila. Then there's another one with commercial area no, nindot kayo, foreigner gihapon na siya no. So many more na pay mga foreigners po dire na muyo guys. So
Lajuya.
So na pay mountain resort kanang gitawag La Jolla unsay term ana, La Jolla Farm Resort. So mo na siya atong gi-advertise, libre mo La Jolla, swerte kay mo, naka-appeal mo sa ako ang vlog no. Basta mo na. So again, salamat sa Ginoo nga maayo ra atong panahon, init nga. Salamat kaayo sa inyong pagtan-aw. Then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Then also we have our website www.propertyph.net. Okay, so then we will process transfer of title. So unsa pay wa, if you have properties for sale, just let me know, submit it to us no. Okay, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.